There's the ex-Winchester train arriving in Havant for London Waterloo. This train is from Weymouth to London Waterloo. Forming the next, this is the Winchester one. Woking, so South Botley, Hedge Eastleigh, Winch. All those lines are shut. Is that the reason why all the Winchester trains are coming down here today? It's going to London Waterloo. Yeah, that's Winchester one. That's Winchester. 444039 and 444043. There's no Joseph. Definitely not. There's definitely no Joseph Ralph there. That's the one with Mama. So that's the new livery. Well, it's the Winchester one, because Winchester is shut today, so they're not. So that's why all the Winchester trains have been diverted. Off it goes. This is the new livery. Off it goes. If that's the wind, yeah, it's definitely a wind train, the way it looks. No.